Good morning, this is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce. And today on Faces of Commerce, we're here at MOcean Contracting, Inc. with April and Kevin. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Tell me a little bit about MOcean Contracting. What do you do?
MOcean Contracting is a general contracting business, and we specialize in fortified roofing, which is a method and products of roofing that make a home or a building more resilient to hurricanes. So that's our primary, our number one service. Our secondary services are remodeling, and under that remodeling umbrella is things like impact doors and windows, impact resistant storm shutters, deck replacement, siding replacement, and fastener replacement, meaning the fasteners in a lot of cases that hold together homes that are on pilings on the beach that become corroded and rusted. So that's a few of the things we do, but we are capable of doing about anything you can imagine when it comes to constructing a home or remodeling a home.
That sounds great. Now, how did you get here?
So we got here on a long journey of construction experience. April and I both were born and raised in Western North Carolina. We had a second home on Oak Island since 2004. It's actually a third generation property that of my family's that we ended up having the opportunity to build on, and eventually we sold that home, and then we decided that we wanted to make Oak Island our permanent home. We live on Oak Island, so we came down here with the mindset of opening a roofing business here to serve the people of Oak Island and Southport area. And then the next thing you know, our experience in construction kind of evolved into what we have here at MOcean today, which is a full-service general contracting, roofing and construction company.
That sounds wonderful. I know you replaced the roof on the chamber building and did a fabulous job.
We did, and we're very grateful for that opportunity that you guys gave us for that, and we're very proud of that. Which in mind of that, we also do some light commercial roofing, especially. We've done several businesses around Southport and Oak Island, so yeah, that's another part of our expertise is light commercial construction as well.
Wow. And you're such a great community-minded company, and I know you're sponsoring next weekend's Coastal Home and Lifestyle Show, so
yes,
and you sponsor the US Open and a lot of other things, so you're really in the community.
We are. We love interacting with the wonderful people of this community. As a matter of fact, it reminds us so much of the communities back in the Lenoir and Granite Falls, North Carolina areas that we came from, except for it's at the coast, at the beach, where we love to work and play.
And April, with Island Life Real Estate, you've got the whole package here.
We do. We absolutely do. And that come a little bit later. We've always been in construction, so and actually in real estate as well for quite a while. But it just was a really nice kind of complement to MOcean Contracting and what we do there as well. And just serving the community in both aspects just is a great combination. And we love all of our clients in both regards, in construction and real estate, and so it was just a great little addition to what we already do.
And we did a ribbon cutting on your new building here. Where is it located?
We're at 4169 Long Beach Road, so we're just down the road towards Oak Island from the Chamber of Commerce building.
That sounds great. How do people get up with you?
So with MOcean Contracting, the easiest way to contact us is either to stop by our office here. We're here Monday through Friday from 8:30 till 4:30, unless we've had to call all hands on deck. And if you come by and the door's locked between those hours, that means all hands are on deck somewhere on a project in the Oak Island area. Or you can call us. Our office number is 910-477-3020. Also, you can take a look at some of our work and reach out to us on our website, which is real simple. It's MOceanContracting.com. And I will say this, some people get confused with how we spell MOcean. It's spelled the letter M and the word ocean. Some people thinks it means emotion, and I'll always say I second that emotion. But we spell MOcean a little coastal, is what we like to say. So MOceanContracting.com is a great place to see some of our work again and get in touch with us. And April can tell you how to reach out to Island Life as well.
Yeah, absolutely. It's real easy. islandlife-realestate.com is our website. Of course, our office is also here as well. So if the doors are locked, that means we're either out showing property or all hands on deck, wherever we may be. And then our number is 910, gosh, I just forgot, 477-0911.
Thank you. We appreciate you both being on Faces of Commerce today. And if you're in the market for a new home or some lots, make sure you see April. And if you want some contracting, some roofing, some remodeling, please call MOcean Contracting. You won't go wrong. Thank you.
Thank you.